Do you have $1,000 burning a hole in your pocket and a watch collection that needs expanding? Well, this simple 3-watch collection does it all, and buying these even at RRP won't exceed $1,000. If you have any luck, you can probably find these 3 much cheaper online at watchdepot.com.au, so check the link in the description. In this small but versatile collection, I've tried to cover all bases and all situations where you'll need a watch. I picked 1 weekday watch, 1 beta watch, and 1 dress watch. I've also tried to target an overall theme, which in this case is leaning more towards the simple, sleek, and no frills style of wristwatches. So with that in mind, let's go over our roster. To start with, I've picked a solid and reliable Seiko 5 in the SRPE 53K. With its stainless steel build and classic Seiko 5 look, this is going to make a great weekday watch, fit for the office and the bar. The classy navy dial takes on a sunburst appearance, which I think fits great for this type of watch. It feels understated in its design, but it's also put together very well, and any good watch nerd will appreciate this piece. It measures 40mm in diameter and 11.5mm thick. So for medium-sized wrists, this fits perfectly. Don't forget, this is an automatic with 41 hours of power reserve, which is part of the reason why I chose it as the everyday wear, since you don't want to have to wind it up every time you want to wear it. I would say this is the main watch of the 3, while the other 2 are specific watches for specific scenarios. This style of 40mm stainless steel watches is great for most scenarios and will make a great weekend watch when you want to dress it down. So please don't just limit this one to the office. Like I said, it fits well on most wrists and the links are pretty smooth. A one-touch 3-fold clasp plus a security clasp keeps this one on the wrist, and wearing this one all day is no issue at all. It's a little bit weighty, but not too bad. Okay then, let's look at our second watch, which I've dubbed the workman's watch of the bunch. I've chosen a trusty Casio for this job because what else could you choose? We need a cheap, rugged watch that doesn't mind being thrown around a bit, something you can wear while fixing things around the house or doing yard work where you're sweating and getting dirty. You don't want to be wearing your nice Seiko, you want to be wearing your Casio HDC 701A. This one utilizes the classic G-Shock style case, but it's a bit more compact than many of those G-Shocks, measuring 48.8mm across and 16.6mm thick. I love this watch because it includes both analog and digital time, so no matter what you prefer, you are covered. Now, it's important to note it's not a G-Shock, but it is 10 bar water resistant and includes a 10-year battery. If you wanted a G-Shock that can withstand proper tough conditions, look into a Casio or even a Mudmaster, but of course, these will come with a higher price tag. So we've got our everyday and beta watches sorted, which is probably 90% of wrist time covered, but you'll need something to wear every now and then to your more formal events. Think weddings, engagement parties, cocktail parties, etc. So in comes the Citizen EcoDrive BM746011E, another 40mm watch, but this time is powered by light. EcoDrive is awesome, and you really only need to expose this watch to light once in a blue moon for it to continue ticking over. Of course, being a dressy piece, we have a black leather strap with a stainless steel buckle. The case is stainless steel and very simple in its design, which I think dress watches need to be. On the dial, we have sharp hands and simple batons as hour markers. These batons are also tack sharp and work overtime to reflect light and give a flashy appearance to the watch. A handy date window sits at 3, and the Citizen and EcoDrive logos sit at 12 and 6 o'clock respectively. A little bit of wear is required to break in the leather strap, but once it's broken in, this piece will be nice and comfy for years to come. A good looking dress watch completes a good looking suit, and this piece here is no exception. And it won't break the bank too, with an RRP of $299 AUD at the time of this video. So there you go, I've just given you a simple, understated 3-watch collection that covers all bases. This will be a great starting point for anyone looking to break into the world of watches. But beware, because it is addictive. If you're going to buy a watch, make sure it's from WatchDepot.com.au. We have a massive range of all your favourite brands, and these 3 watches I've gone over can be found by clicking the link in the description. Well, what do you guys think? Is this a good collection? Let me know what you think by dropping a comment below. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.